Since 2014, it's completely like this, abandoned. So this is exactly the kind of place that I would like to explore. Oh, that's a heater. Token belongs to one individual. Yeah. So they have to come and keep it here. Yeah. Hello? Anybody here? In the past, people have had parties here. There's a bartender here. All your favorite whiskey bottles are. Good morning from Sohra. TC Traveler is in Meghalaya. Of course, we are locals here. But we are also on a trip across Meghalaya. That's what this series of videos is about. And in this vlog, now, what we're going to see, and if you watched the previous episodes, then you already have seen this place. But if you're stumbling upon here, this vlog, then what you're going to see is the view. Behind me is the homestay, but behind you guys is the view of Sohra. I think you can get some breakfast also here. Come now. Do you have something to eat?
Oh, no.
Not yet? After half an hour?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay. We'll get tea also, no? We'll come. Thank you. And now we will go that way. At least till the factory that you see there. I want to check out this river also. Can you take bath in this? The water doesn't look very clean.
It's because it was raining heavily yesterday.
Oh, that's why. When it rains heavily in the hills, the river water it looks dirty, but yeah, it's as clean as it gets, I think, this water. Because look at this place. Look at where the water is coming from. How could it not be anything but clean? I think from here we can go down. Let's go down. Let's have the taste of the streaming water, since I mentioned it could not be anything but clean. So let me prove that to you. It's slippery, yeah, it is. I would love to take bath here, but we don't have time, unfortunately, today. It's a lovely place. But yeah, we live in Meghalaya, guys. We are locals here. So we will get many opportunities in the months to come to take bath in the river. One of them being in her village. We are going to go to Revai village, I think in October, where we will fish in the water, fish in the river and take bath and do a lot of things that the people of Revai village do in that month. Now from here all around you see the hills, only hills, except for the factory. Otherwise it's like some European countryside. If that factory was abandoned, then we would have loved to invade the abandoned property in the walled and bankrupt style. But I can hear some sounds, so I think it's not completely abandoned. And Missy wants some pictures clicked against the backdrop of the factory, leaving all the hills. Missy is fascinated with the factory. How's your face? Very nice.
No.
What no? What to do if your face is like that? If you have a puppy face, then what to do? And now we are very close to the factory. Look at the factory. I mean, it looks very interesting because it's not in the best shape. It looks abandoned and haunted. When I see places like this, I want to go in and look at the things inside. Especially when something is abandoned, you get inside and then You look at the broken pieces and imagine how it would have been once, bustling with people and work. Maybe these people are working here. The car is coming and stopping there. People are coming to work at the factory. You guys work here? In this factory?
Yeah.
You work here? Can we check out the factory?
अभी नहीं खुली है।
अभी नहीं खुली है। ये चालू है कि बंद है?
बंद है।
बंद है, मतलब अंदर काम नहीं होता है। तो फिर देख सकते हैं, नहीं देख सकते? सिक्योरिटी को बोला। Okay. All right. So yesterday somebody told us, right? This factory is functional. I think the homestay owner told us, and we did hear some sounds also. But I think now that I'm here, it's quiet. So I think that was the sound of the river, not the noise coming from the factory. Let me go and ask the security. Are you the security? So it's up to you, no?
No.
But you won't allow.
Or such won't allow.
This factory is not functional anymore. So what happens here? So why is there security then if nothing is produced here?
There's mismanagement. Yeah, security is there because so many.
But it's not working anymore.
Yeah.
So it's completely closed down. Since when?
Since 2014.
2014. Oh, since 2014 it's completely like this, abandoned. Wow. So guys, actually this is abandoned. Yeah, so this is exactly the kind of place that I would like to explore, but our friend here won't allow because of security reasons, whatever. Just take a last look then and we'll go back. Thank you then.
Okay.
You're listening to nice songs in the morning. Last look at what we could not explore today. We tried our best, guys, but no luck. What is there inside?
Yeah,
Huh?
post office.
It's a post office.
Yeah.
Can I see?
Nothing is there.
Yeah, I love to see nothing.
Closed today, no?
It's closed. Look at the post office, guys. Post office of Sohra. Oh, interesting. That's the post office, guys. I'll just check, okay? What is that? A heater? Oh, that's a heater. Wow. What kind of heater is that? And here the post office manager sits and does his work.
This one they call time office.
What is this?
Time office.
Time office.
Yeah, that
Ti-
one post office, no?
What do you mean time office?
Yes.
You punch in your time.
Yeah, punching time.
What are these numbers? How is this all used?
It's token, no? Actually, it's token.
Token?
Yeah.
For what?
For attendance. only.
For attendance. So it's very old fashioned, right?
Yeah, old fashioned.
Guys, look at this. We did find something interesting here. This clock also may be very old. So this token belongs to one individual,
Yeah, individual.
one person.
Yeah.
So they have to come and keep it here.
Yeah. They will be collect from here and again they will come and drop at 4 p.m. No?
Who collects from here?
Workers.
Workers.
Yeah.
So these are taken home, no?
Yeah. No? Yeah, they may take home.
So if I'm a worker here,
Yeah.
this is my token.
Yeah, you have to take it.
I come to work
Ah.
and I keep it here.
Ah,
So I'm at work.
ah.
And then when I go back,
Yeah, you have to drop.
I'll take it back. Okay, so while they are in their shift, somebody will come and look at the tokens. And if this is missing, number 104 is missing today. So this person has not attended work today. That's how. What's your name, brother?
Huh?
What's your name?
My name? Why you want to know my name?
Yeah,
My name? My name is...
remember.
I can't tell your name. I don't like.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank
Nameless person.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You are from Shillong or what?
I live in Shillong, but I'm in Gujarat. I'm living in Shillong now. Can I click a picture then?
Not
If you can't tell your name,
Not yet.
somebody else will tell. Can I?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Very well.
Alright guys, so we did not get to see the factory, but we saw something very interesting. A very old fashioned system for keeping attendance. And apparently it's still being used. And you looked at the office, how archaic it looks. That siren normally comes from the factories. So yesterday we had heard that in the evening. That's also one reason we thought that the factory is functional. And I see some abandoned house also there. The windows are broken and there's no door. So definitely that structure is abandoned. So let's go and check out that abandoned building also. And the way to go there, it's covered with bushes right now because obviously it is abandoned, so nobody's going there. It's not completely covered with bushes. Let's go and check out the possibly haunted abandoned house of some factory workers from the abandoned factory over there. And here we are. Wow. Oh, look at this. I hope there's nobody here. So finally, we are making a bold and bankrupt style invasion of the abandoned building video. There's water dropping from top. This doesn't look like a residence. Maybe it's some kind of a office. And there are some old pants also. Maybe worn by some peon in this office. And I see some other clothing article, a jacket rotting in the moisture. Let's check out what's there inside. This looks like a kitchen, right? Or a bar. Yeah, it's like a bar. So maybe in the past people have had parties here. Imagine this is people are dancing here, music playing, and there's a bartender here, and yeah, all your favorite whiskey bottles are there. And then these are the rooms. What's there inside here? Hello? Anybody here? Anybody home? Another pants. I wonder why there are pants lying here. And this is a toilet. No? It looks like a bathroom. And here, what could this have been? This is a bathroom. What could this have been? There's no platform, so it's not a kitchen here. It's not a room also because it's not complete wall. What could this have been? And there's more. So I think this is the place where they must be cooking food. Yeah, so that's the main bar counter. They are serving drinks from there, and maybe here people are cooking food, and then they would give the food from this window to the main counter, and the main counter guy would deliver the food to the customers. And here we have some storage, I think. Yeah, this is storage. Now the plants are growing here in this place, and look at the view from behind. Wow. What's this here? Any bottles or any leftover food here? Not that we are that hungry.
Toilet.
And yeah, finally we have a toilet here. Old and abandoned toilet. Did you have toilet in the homestead?
Yeah, I did.
And this is a urinal. Okay, let me release some urine here in the urinal.
No.
Why not? Not that I'm peeing on the streets. I'm peeing in the proper urinal. And there are some recent bottles here. So I think some people have been coming here and still having their parties. Anyways, guys, so finally the kind of video that we wanted to make did happen, just not in the factory, but in the party hall of the factory workers. Alright, now I think we'll end this vlog here from this abandoned party hall in Sohra. I don't know how old this is. It's pretty old. All the windows are broken, everything is gone. See the bushes, it's been years. These stairs have not been used, I think, except for those maybe junkies, whoever comes there and drink and throw their bottles. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one.
Ow! Ah, see?
Say something in the camera.
What to say?
What to say?
Good morning, people. I mean, good morning, viewers.
Viewers.
Good morning, viewers.
And this is some shop which is also abandoned. So we can't leave it without exploring it. Come now.
This is Missy vlog. Missy vlog. Missy's vlog. अरे देखो तो.
Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the beautiful bell icon as well.